Hello, kids. Let's learn about verbs or actions that we can do in school. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Walk. The girl walks to school. Run. The kids run on the track. Read. The children read the books in the library. Write. Omar writes neatly. Play. The boys play basketball. Stand. The students stand in line. Listen. The children listen to the teacher. Teach. Miss Nancy teaches mathematics. Draw. Laila draws a flower. Study. Hamza studies his lesson. Count. The kids count with the teacher. Talk. The teacher talks to the student. You did great, kids. Continue to practice so you can improve your English skills. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye bye.